Because we want peace in Osun. Naturally, I'm a peaceful person. So we hope everybody will abide by the peace accord that we signed.
What has it been before now? Because we also hear that there have been attacks.
It's been terrible. The ruling APC government, they've been attacking, they've destroyed my billboard. They went to one of the candidates' house because of after the debate. The Labour Party candidate, he could not even come here today. They went there, they sent some thugs to go and shoot in the house. The other party guy, Adeleke, the other one is Yusuf Lasso for Labour. They went to his house and started shooting. Now they went again to his house. The candidate, Adeleke, they burned his house. Well, it's because I made sure that I secured myself with full security, because I don't trust them. I don't know what they can do. As I'm speaking to you right now, we have applied for venue of our mega rally tomorrow. Up to now, they have not given it to us. And I went, to see the governor. I said, listen, we've applied several times for our venue of the rally. This state belongs to all of us. You did your own mega rally yesterday, Tuesday. So what's going on? He said, I don't know. I will look into it. I said, please look into it, because we want peace. If you know that you want to sign this accord peace, you should abide by it. And it's a process. The process has begun. Part of it is for you to approve us to use the stadium or Freedom Park tomorrow for our mega rally.
But who are those you are expecting at your mega rally tomorrow?
I'm expecting some governors, and of course our presidential candidate and our presidential candidate and of course his vice presidential candidate and some governors. But I'm not going to mention the governors until, but some governors are coming.
Okay, yes, you were part of what happened 4 years ago, and I was also in this state, and I observed that they had Osun 1 and Osun 2. Are you foreseeing a repeat of that?
I hope not. I hope not, because the people are ready. The people are tired. They should let the Osun people decide who they want. You yourself, you knew what happened last time, because you are a reporter. The way they were macheting, beating our people, because I let it go for that election 2018, because I'm just a peaceful person. The people came, they want to go back and start fighting. I said no, let it go. But this 2022, I may not be able to stop them, but I can preach peace for them. The Osun people have been pushed to the wall. It's not by force to rule. Let Osun people decide who they want. If it is free and fair election, so be it. And that is what I want. And that is what oh my God, by landslide, free and fair election, I'm the man to beat, because I've demonstrated it. I won the election. Everybody know. You all know the dancing senator. I won that election. But that is why things are not going right for them, because you don't cheat. This is supposed to be my seat, but I let it go. But I think Osun people are ready for Senator Adeleke, Adeleke, and PDP, by the special grace of God.